you're looking for a mortgage without income proof, or your financials don't show that you've had strong income for a long period of time, maybe you've started a new business or you've switched businesses, what you're probably going to need is to use is it's called a non-bank or a second tier lender. You really shouldn't be scared of that terminology. It's just banking jargon and mortgage broker jargon for a non-advertised main bank. So probably with the income evidence or lack thereof, you're not going to be able to use ASB, ANZ, KiwiBank, BNZ, those main banks you see on TV. Probably going to have to go through a mortgage advisor, get the application all sorted out before you submit, and just depending on whether you're using low documentation or no documentation, understand what your short-term plan is to get settled in this property, and then what the plan is to get refinanced after 6, 12 months, maybe even a bit longer, back to the main bank.